you do if you get stuck on a flow and you just can't figure out what's going wrong? One great option is to take a shortcut and go open up the flow in the Google Doc provided. Then go ahead and copy it. It's gonna look kind of like a bunch of gibberish, but you're going to want to copy it and then move over to your Node-RED terminal. Once in your Node-RED terminal, go ahead, create a new flow for you to put it into, and we can call it imported flow. In this case, we're importing the flow from the takeoff and land program. Use this hamburger menu on the top right, click import, and then use Control V or paste the text you copied in there. Then click either current flow or new flow, depending on whatever works best for you. If you already have something in your current flow, click new. But since I have an empty one, I'll stick with current. Then click import. Sometimes it'll take a second, but in this case, it went over to the next tab, which can happen too. Now you have the example flow, and you can try that out and maybe figure out exactly where yours went wrong, or if you're still confused, definitely reach out on Discord and we'll start a conversation. Have fun! Don't forget to hit deploy.